Hello and welcome to Carter & Haynes. Here we've got our 67 reg BMW 140i Shadow Edition. Very special car this. It's one owner from new with full BMW service history, which is quite rare to find on these, and a really good spec. So it's finished in mineral grey with the gloss graphite wheels, full black Dakota leather interior, heated leather. Really nice condition throughout. Done just over 41,000 miles. It's got xenons, heated seats. It's got the harman kardon, among other things. Pro nav. We will take in part exchanges and we can arrange finance. So please do give us a call on 01244 570 814 to discuss further. That number again, 01244 570 814. Thanks for watching.